Welcome back. You're watching the 13th match in round 2 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 19 points and Foundation Prep on 15 points. Let's now go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if the answer is incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on Guardian's new Ultimate Provider clock. Teams, we begin section 3 with general knowledge. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed. Meadowbrook.
Argentina.
Argentina.
Correct. Sports. The Belmont Stakes and the Kentucky Derby are major events in which sport in the United States?
I think it's football. I don't know. No. Cricket?
Horse racing. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible opens with the line, "The words of the preacher"?
I think it might be Genesis. No.
Ecclesiastes. Science. What is the collective name for the bones in the fingers of humans? Meadowbrook.
What is it? The hand.
The hand.
Incorrect. Phalanges. English language. Form a noun from the word savage.
Savagery?
Savagery. Music. Which term means to lower in pitch by 1 semitone? Flat. General knowledge. Which organization is responsible for the conducting of national elections in Jamaica?
The CCG.
The Electoral Office of Jamaica, the EOJ. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character. Meadowbrook.
Cruella de Vil.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the square of 12 plus the square root of 625?
It's 144 times
169. Social studies. Hurricanes that affect the Caribbean usually originate in which ocean? Foundation.
Atlantic Ocean.
Correct. Television. What is the name of the James Bond movie released in 2021? No Time to Die. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Foundation.
Venus Williams.
Serena Williams.
Correct. Bible knowledge. A widow gave 2 coins for an offering, which prompted Jesus to say she gave her all. How much did she give? 2 mites. Science. A leaf has 3 main parts. 2 of them are the base and the lamina. What is the third? The petiole or stalk. English language. Complete the proverb. To bite off more than. Foundation.
You can chew.
You can chew.
Correct. Music. What is the name given to the highest male voice?
Soprano? No. Female.
The countertenor or contratenor. General knowledge. What is the title given to Jamaica's chief diplomatic representative in the United Kingdom? Meadowbrook.
Governor General. The Governor General.
Incorrect. High Commissioner.
High Commissioner.
International Affairs. Who is next in line to the British throne?
Prince Harry?
No. Prince William.
Prince Charles. Mathematics. What is the sum of 76.74 and 25.37? Foundation buzzed in first.
No.
It's 100.
All right, it's 102.11. And now that is the bell signifying the end of the final round and the end of today's match. The final scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 19 points and Foundation Prep on 19 points as well. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages. Welcome back. Meadowbrook Prep and Foundation Prep are currently tied on 19 points. So of course, we have to enter sudden death. So I'm going to ask one final question that will determine today's game. So teams, your question comes from social studies. What is the minimum wind speed in kilometers per hour for a Category 1 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale?
Anybody?
Okay, next question, Bible knowledge. I'm sorry, the answer would have been 119 kilometers per hour. Next question from Bible knowledge. In the New Testament, we are told that the evangelist Philip had how many daughters? It would have been 4. English language. Spell the word picturesque. Foundation prep.
Picturesque.
And that is correct. So that is now having Foundation Prep as today's winners. So the final scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 19 points and Foundation Prep on 21 points. So congratulations to Foundation Prep and well tried to Meadowbrook Prep. In the true spirit of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge quiz, we invite the captains of both teams to shake hands. Captains? Thank you, captains. So Foundation Prep will now advance to round 3 of the competition. Don't forget to join us next time for more round 2 action when Buff Bay Primary faces Broughton Primary. From all of us here at TVJ, I'm Sheldon Reed. Please stay tuned and pleasant viewing.